Well, I want people, thanks to Father to the Pattern News Network. Big up on yourself. You don't know. Now people just want big enough for all the views and to watch them and them thing there. We're thankful. We're thankful. We're grateful for the watches and them thing there. And today we're dealing with some recap people. Now people, track and field start this a week, yeah. Or last week as a matter of fact. I'm telling you something. If Jamaicans don't see track and field are going to Olympics, you know, we're not happy, you know. If track and field not going, it's almost like we're disturbed, you know. Yeah. Because we love run up and down the house and not Dutchy and them thing there and blow on and make nice. So people are going to talk about what going on in the week with the track and field. And we'll make Rasta George, the big analyst, take over the program. And then ask me until the program are done. I'm making a know say, Rasta George, I run it from you, so. Real speed. Yeah. Take it on, Rasta George.
I man just say greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty, King Jesus Christ. Jah over Jireh, you know. Ever living, never flap. That's why I go forward with the recap. Blessed love. But before I forward into the recap, you know, and I just want to say blessed Emancipation Day, you know, to all of the viewers from yard and abroad, you know. All the people them will run off and all these things. Bless up the eye themselves, you know. Because of the eye them set the foundation for all the runners them right you know. The one who run off go foreign and UK and all these places, you know. Never to see Jamaica again. But you know, I just want to say, you know, blessed love and thanks again to all the new viewers. You know, I already put out, you know, a video about the One Few Tree and a reaction to the One Few Tree, you know. And I just want to say blessed love and thanks for all the views. 49,000 plus views, you know. And I shook when I noticed it, you know. And I was in a state of tearment. And I already tell Adam from before that I get a vision from Jah, you know, about the One Few Tree. And as I realize, ladies, I'm delivered from the promise, you know. I just want to big up Elaine, with fast like a jet plane. Shelly with the Remy. And Sharika with hot like 10 dengue fever. Come on. Of course, we'd have taken it One Few Tree. Of course, we'd have dominate. Of course, we still a win. Come on, people. And I been meticulously scrutinizing, you know, the Instagram and the Facebooks and all these places, you know. And I see a lot going around about, you know, beef in the camp. But as far as I know, you know, Jamaicans don't too deal with beef in the Rasta. You know, the Adam, I don't really too deal with beef unless there's some cow foot or some ox tail, you know. Or probably if you say some beef patty in the camp, I would have probably say, yes, that's true, some beef patty in the camp. But I just want the Adam to focus on the positive, you know. Because with any great achievement, there's always some amount of negativity that is spread around, you know. The Adam tend to not focus on what is positive and what is going forward, you know. The things that we send the Adam forward. The Adam want to focus on the negative aspects of life. But we just want to big up the three empress them for them do the thing, you know. Because we don't know about beef. We don't deal with beef. And as I said before, Jayut, we don't really watch people, you know, Jamaicans don't watch people. But I just want to say, you know, from the eats, you know, they must show up Talu. And big up yourself, Empress Talu. You did well for your country, you know. But from the eats, I know that Talu will burn up in the race, you know. Talu will run a PB in the eats, Jayut. And I know they look upon Talu and I say, you know, everybody else drink Gatorade and water. But Talu need to drink some coolant because I ready to go burn up in the finals, the 3 to finals. And to the medal ceremony, you know. Nagalina, Jayut. A tears forward out of the eye, you know. I couldn't believe how proud I felt, you know, in that moment. To know upon Emancipation Day, and I could have seen the three empress them stand up in front of the flag, and I hear them anthem play, you know. And I was very proud. And I had 2 youths look on the eye. I don't know, and I have 2 youths, Pride and Simba, you know, the young lion them. They look on the eye and say, Daddy, why you cry, Daddy? But I learn at an older age that the eye can't hold in the tears, you know. Because we bust up eye and eye heart, you know. Sometimes the eye have to let out the tears, them. The lion have to cry sometime, you know. But right until the lion them, Jayut. As I said the last PNN news, you know. As I gave an honest truth about what have been happening and what would have happened in the 100 meter for the lion them, you know. And I just said it would be an uphill task for the lion to make it to the final. And it was a big challenge for the lion them, you know. And I was very disappointed. No Jamaican in the final. For years, Rasta. From 2000 The eye them been in the final and now no Jamaican representation in the final Jayut. I was very disappointed. But I just want to say, you know, blessed love to the Lion them and they're trying the best. But I just want to talk to the people them because I tell the people them to pray for the Lion them, you know. Like the man need prayers. I never pray for the Lion them. And I tell the Lion them, so they need them sarsaparilla and them roots and them spirulina. But I did wrong. Look like I asked on the Lion them they need Rasta. But I just want to big up the winner of the final, Al Pacino. Al Pacino, big up yourself for the win in the final, you know, the Italian job you did, you know. Blessed love, Jayut. So the discuss right now, you know. And I want to discuss and the shot put on all these things, you know. And I just want to talk to the chef and the management team, you know. And I forward over to the youth them IG and realize that alone egg and bread and egg and ham and them thing that the youth them a consume. Chef, that them never carry no yam and banana and dasheen and cassava for the youth them. So when the youth them fling this cause it last. The next thing I want to talk about, you know, Jayut, and this is what the I will close with, you know. Because I saw that the Empress them did the 100 meter hurdles and them did well. I look forward to the finals, you know. I look forward to the 200 and all these things. But I felt so hurt in the I heart when I see the warrior, the lion, Jail, hit the hurdle and fall over, you know. But I just want to say to Jail, the name is very prophetic, youth. Because Jaga heal out the disappointment. Jaga heal out of the pain and the disturbance. Jaga heal and provide some newness for the youth. Next time I make it through you, bless up yourself. And blessed love Jayut, blessed love people. And look out for more forwardry, more honor truth, forwarding from PNN and all these things. Blessed love.
Yeah, Rasta George, big up yourself. Highly blessed, highly blessed. People, thanks so far back to the Pattern News Network. Open the stick and stay right here, so for the Olympics coverage, people. Full forwardry, full coverage, full honor truth, people. But we're going at Tokyo, Japan at the Olympic Games. Thanks so far back to the Pattern News Network. Big up on yourself, you don't know.